Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is going to be another unboxing video. I know I feel like I've done a lot of these. I've actually got this video that I'm recording and then one more after this for unboxing videos. I've been away, got some mail, and I'm just kind of catching up on some of the mail that I received that I haven't been able to dig into. So I'm filming this on June the 18th, and this is an album that just came out on Friday, I think. Yesterday, I think. I'm not 100% sure on that. But what this is the Beach Boys' Sounds of Summer. This is the 60th anniversary edition for the Beach Boys. This original compilation came out in 2003. It looked like this. Sounds of Summer. We've seen this everywhere. It was a huge album, and I think it goes back in the charts just about every summer. And kind of my big introduction to the Beach Boys was this album right here. It originally had 30 tracks that spanned from the very early days all the way up to the 80s, with like Good Timin' and Kokomo, things like that. So fantastic collection. I love this album. It's one of my favorite greatest hits, and I don't do greatest hits collections, so it was kind of a weird spur of the moment thing that I bought this copy. But anyway, this is the original Sounds of Summer, the Beach Boys, the very best of. Now, why did I get this? And as you can see, I haven't opened it yet. This is the CD. It's 3 discs, 80 tracks. So you have the original 30 tracks plus 50 more on 2 more discs. And you can see what the hype sticker says. And if you couldn't see that, it says the very best of the Beach Boys, Sounds of Summer, 60th Anniversary Expanded Edition. 80 newly remastered tracks featuring 24 new mixes, updated liner notes, and photos. And then it's got this cool little Beach Boys 60th underneath. But let me go ahead and open up. I'm going to save the sticker, so don't fret about that. But I'm not going to save the shrink wrap because it's a CD. So there we go. Ooh. Unfortunately, it's got a little bit of a bend there, you can see. But anyway, so here is the gatefold with some images of the Beach Boys. Looks like from like 1965, and then some Pet Sounds era on the other side there. Brian at the piano with the guys, and then there they are again. You can see they've added Bruce Johnston there, who joined during the California Girls sessions. And very cool. So when you open this up, that's very cool. So you have kind of a redone cover of the original Sounds of Summer there. That all says the very best of the Beach Boys, Sounds of Summer. How cool is that? So there is the gatefold. I like that a lot. Where in comparison, this was the original. So big upgrade. And let's see. Let's start with the discs. So, whoops, kind of tight in there. I'm really excited to hear what this sounds like. So you just have the classic disc there with the rainbow swirl. Disc 2, you have like the early Capitol. And disc 3, you have like the Brother Records label there, which was the Beach Boys label that they started. So let's get to the book. I'm interested to see what's in here. And it's funny because you order these things and you sometimes forget that you're waiting for them until like you see online like the Beach Boys Sounds of Summer comes out this week. I'm like, oh yeah, I ordered that. So there's the book. Again, kind of an updated font from the original. And let's see. So it starts out with some essays. There are the boys. Just lots of information in the booklet. And that was done by Howie Edelson from December 2021. So there's some great shots of the guys. You have Al, Dennis, Mike, Carl, Bruce, Brian. Good looking pictures there. And then you have them going into the 70s with Ricky Fattar and Blondie Chaplin, and a lot more facial hair. Now, I remember I asked my friend Jeff Witcher if he was going to get this, and he said no, because he had a lot of these on compilations already, but I'm interested to hear the remix. And so there you have the songs with the credits, who's doing lead vocals, etc. So that's the original. There you go. And I could, I might read off the songs too. There's those. And then the last page. Very cool. And I just noticed as I turned that last page, this is really cool that it's given in memory of Billy Hinch, Billy Hinch, who was in Dino, Billy, and Desi, Billy, and Dino. He was a longtime member of the Beach Boys, and then later he was in Brian Wilson's band. And then they also say, never to be forgotten, Carl and Dennis Wilson. And then there's a picture of Carl and Dennis. That's really cool. But let me go ahead and I'll read off the songs. Here's the original 30. I'm just going to run through these really quick. You have California Girls, I Get Around, Surfing Safari, Surfing USA, Fun, 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 Surfer Girl, Don't Worry Baby, Little Deuce Coupe, Shut Down, Help Me Rhonda, Be True to Your School, When I Grew Up to Be a Man, In My Room, God Only Knows, Sloop John B, Wouldn't It Be Nice, Get You Back, Come Go With Me, Rock and Roll Music, which is Stinko, Dance, 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 Barbara Ann, Do You Want to Dance, Heroes and Villains, Good Timin', Kokomo, Do It Again, Wild Honey, Darlin', I Can Hear Music, and Good Vibrations. So that's disc 1. That's the original album, but they're all new mixes. Then you have disc 2. You have All Summer Long, Good to My Baby, This Whole World, All I Want to Do, Disney Girls, Kiss Me Baby, Let the Wind Blow, Forever, Sail on Sailor, Long Promise Road, Cotton Fields, Pom Pom Playgirl, Wind Chimes, I Went to Sleep, Farmer's Daughter, Let Us Go On This Way, You Need a Mess of Help to Stand Alone, The Night Was So Young, Marcella, You're So Good to Me, Aren't You Glad, Baby Blue, It's About Time, Do You Like Worms, Roll Plymouth Rock, and Surf's Up. Now you have disc 3, the final disc, Add Some Music to Your Day, It's Okay, Going On, San Miguel, The Warmth of the Sun, Everyone's in Love with You, All This Is That, California Saga, I love that song, Feel Flows, I love that one, Windy, Girl Don't Tell Me, Let 'Em Run Wild, All I Want to Do, Susie Cincinnati, Vegetables, Time to Get Alone, Where I Belong, I Just Wasn't Made for These Times, Little Bird, Till I Die, love that song. Wouldn't It Be Nice to Live Again, which is originally unreleased, that song. Friends, Devoted to You, which is the beautiful Everly Brothers song. Can't Wait Too Long, and California Feelin'. So that's also unreleased. Several of these are unreleased songs. So most of the tracks are in stereo as well. But anyway, there's my unboxing. I can't wait to listen to this. Beach Boys All Summer Long. Let me know if you've got it. Let me know if you're gonna get it. If it's a money grab, all that. It was actually very cheap. It was less than $30 for 3 CDs. So I'm happy with that, and I'm gonna look forward to reading that essay. So in the meantime, y'all be good. Take care, and I'll talk to y'all real soon.